Okay, good day. Welcome to our recorded video. So our topic for today is about quadratic inequalities. It is defined an inequality that contains a polynomial of degree 2, means ng degree 2 is second degree, or yung exponent niya ay x squared. Yan yung pinakamataas na exponent niya. And can be written in any of the following forms. So we have our standard form, diba? And our inequalities symbol. So meron tayong mga ganyan. So we can have greater than or equal. So we have the less than or equal to 0. So where A and B and C are all real numbers. So we can have positive or negative values. And A should not be equal to 0. Bakit ulit na hindi kailangan maging equal sa 0 ang A? Once na naging 0 po kasi si A, ano mangyayari? Mawawala po si x squared. Ang mangyayari, x na lang po yung magiging equation niya. Okay? So, in our discussion today, we will identify the following equation if it is a quadratic inequalities or not. So determine whether the following equation is quadratic inequalities or not, then state the reason. So number 1, we have 2x squared plus 6x plus 9 is less than 0. So first thing to check, no? Check muna natin yung degree niya. Again, ano yung degree niya? Yung highest exponent. Ano po ang highest exponent niya? 2. Okay, so check siya. Pasok siya sa quadratic. Then check natin yung inequalities niya. So, yung inequalities niya, kung meron siyang greater than or equal, less than or equal. So, mapapansin natin, meron tayong less than. So, meron less than symbol. So, another check yon. Okay? Then, aside from that, before pala natin makita si less than symbol, di ba naka-standard form at naka-equate kay 0? So, still another check. Therefore, we can conclude that number 1 is quadratic inequalities. Okay? So, another example, number 2. So, we have 2x squared plus 6x. Again, yung degree niya, anong value ng degree niya? 2. Okay? So, before natin i-identify yung degree, so let's have a step by step. So, unahin muna natin gawin kung naka-standard form na ba siya. Pangalawa, naka-equate kay 0. Then, pangatlo, check the degree. Then, pang-apat, check kung may inequality symbol. Okay? So, okay naman na yon. So, punta na tayo dito. So, next naman, check natin kung may inequality symbol ba siya. From this, equal lang. Eh, hindi naman po kasama siya sa inequalities. Dapat equal or greater than or equal. So, kung ganyan po siya or ganito, pasok siya. Pero hindi nga siya ganyan, no? Therefore, number 2 is not a quadratic inequalities. Okay? Next, number 3. So, from this part, di pa tayo naka-standard form. So, transform muna natin siya into standard form. So, kailangan natin muna gawin yung distributive property para makuha yon. So, that x times x is x squared. X times 2 is positive 2x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6, less than 0. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x squared minus x minus 6 less than 0. Naka-standard form na. Check. Na-equate na natin sa 0. Check. Anong degree naman niya? Degree niya ay 2. Another check. May inequality symbol ba? Another check. Okay, lagyan natin ng E dito. Okay? So, therefore, number 3 is quadratic inequalities. Okay, number 4. So, hindi pa siya naka-standard form. So, ayusin muna natin. Magiging x times 2x is 2x squared, then negative 8x. So, ita-transform natin siya dito sa kabila. So, kapag nilipat natin, maka-cancel. So, 2x squared minus 2x squared plus 8x minus plus 6 greater than or less than 0. So, maka-cancel to. Ang matitira na lang ay 8x plus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung degree niya agad, ano nangyari? Degree niya ay 1 na lang, hindi 2 no? So, therefore, sagot natin agad dyan, not a quadratic inequalities. Okay? Number 5. So, another check to. Standard form, meron tayong naka-equate kay 0, check. Degree niya ay 2, di ba? Another check kasi 2 lang to. Then, may inequality symbol tayo na greater than. So, therefore, this is a quadratic inequalities. Number 6, ganun din. Kung makikita po natin, naka-standard form na siya. Naka-equate kay 0. Ito yung equation. Degree niya ay 2. And may inequality tayo na greater than and equal or equal. So, therefore, number 6 is quadratic inequalities then. Number 3, ano una natin makita kay number 3? X cube. So, x cube, ang degree niya ay 3. Therefore, pag 3 yan, hindi po siya quadratic equation, no? Not quadratic. No? Therefore, ang sagot natin, not quadratic inequalities. Okay? Ganun din sa number 8, kung mapapansin nyo, walang x squared. Diba? X raised to 1 lang yan. Ang degree niyan ay 1. Therefore, not quadratic inequalities. Next, number 9. So, distribute lang muna natin. Magiging x cubed plus 6x squared less than or greater than to 0. So, mapapansin nyo po, ang degree niya ulit, ano yung pinakamataas na exponent? 3. Therefore, not quadratic inequalities. And number 10, so hindi siya naka-standard form. Pero, kung titignan nyo po, equal lang yan. Diba po, dapat may inequality symbol tayo. Therefore, kung wala siya niyan, not quadratic inequalities. Okay? So, from this video, we determine the following equation if it is a quadratic inequalities or not. So, for next video, we will have solving quadratic inequalities. Okay, goodbye.